So are you looking for an app that can not only record your screen, but also allow you to edit those screen recordings as well as your laptop's camera or a USB webcam, all of it in one single app? You come to the right place. Thanks to a recent acquisition from Microsoft of a company called Clipchamp, they now offer a free plan which allows you to edit 1080p videos for free. And not just that, it is also a fully featured screen recorder as well as a camera recorder, so you don't have to go to other applications for recording. So without further ado, let me show you how good it is for beginner video editors. Alright guys, to get started installing Clipchamp on your PC, you just need to go to this link. It will be in the description below. Just click on Get It from Microsoft and then click on Get. Give it a few moments to download. There you go, download is complete. Here you can continue with Google, Microsoft, or Facebook account, or you can use your own email address. Log in with an account. I've already done so. And here you have a few options to start. Now, at first you might just see some video editing option, but if you do down here, you'll see start with a recording. So let's say if I want to start recording my screen and camera, I can just click on here. If I just want my screen or just my camera, I can switch here. But you can also change later on. So once I click here, you can see I'm right there and the screen will appear like so. Ready to roll, check there's nothing in your teeth, hit the big red button. The only limitation of the screen recording on this thing or general recording is 30 minutes. So let's just press record and we're recording. You can see that we can choose to record entire screen, window, tab. Also we can share system audio. I'm gonna do that, entire screen. Let's go. There you go, we're recording, we're here. Let's open a new Chrome window. Let's say I go to The Verge. Let's browse some news. And you can see the video recording is working perfectly. Once I'm done, all I have to do is go back to Clipchamp and click on the big red button, and that's it. Now you can choose whether you want to retake the recording or you want to save and edit. We're going to save and edit. It says app.clipchamp wants to download multiple files. Press allow, and there you go. It has just saved a file. Basically what Clipchamp is a glorified web browser running a video editing app. So yeah, you can see our clip is right here. Screen recording is right here. So you can see it's overlaid on top, so I can move it around after the fact, which is pretty cool. I was recording it to a separate track and it is playing back perfectly fine. Alright, so now you can resize, remove, change the length, cut out any parts that you need. So here we can zoom out of the timeline. Before we even get started, you can choose whether you want a vertical video for TikTok, Instagram stories, or YouTube shorts. You can select that, and there you go, we have vertical video. Then you can click on the clip and see if you want to fill it up, and then you can move it around like so. Or if you want traditional 16:9 or 21:9 clip, you can have that as well. That's a 21:9 clip. Now I can make cuts, edits as I need. Say if I wanted to just go here, I'm done. Play. Just after I say done, if I wanted to trim it, I can just trim it like that. And then if I wanted to cut this and go straight to the link, I can just press the split button, go forward, where I open the website, and then I can just press cut again and then delete this bit by pressing backspace on my keyboard and selecting it, and then you can remove this empty space. You can see the software hasn't deleted the webcam footage, so it's still playing. So if you want to delete that, you might want to also split that, and delete. The video is playing just fine. That's how you do some basic edits. Now there are a few other features that you need to check. So there are some stock images that you can add on top if you want to use them in your videos. They're free to use according to the app. So you can add blue sky maybe, click on add to timeline. There you go, suddenly in your video. Give it a few moments to download. Yep, there's the blue sky. You can click on fill to fill up the thing. If you want your camera to be on top of that, so you can just drag this clip on top. Now, there you go, blue skies there. So you can do basic video editing like that, no issues. There's also stock video. If you're curious, you can actually get these cool, check this out. If I go here and then click on this subscribe panels, these are pretty cool. Just click on this, add to timeline, set. And you can see the video. And you can place it wherever you want to place it. Here, make it bigger, smaller, like so. You can see the bell is going on the other side, so you can Just readjust it as you like. And you can see the video recording is working perfectly. And there you go. So you got a whole lot of tracks here with audio and video. You can even add backgrounds. You can add copyright-free music. You can see it's free to use. Cool music as well. So let's add that music and export the video. So I'm gonna go to the front, add music, click on the plus icon, press the minus key to reduce it down to where we need it to be. Here I can add transitions and stuff like that. So if I zoom in and then if I go to transitions, it says drag in one between two clips, push right, fade through white. Say I want a transition between this blue sky and this browser tab. So all I'm gonna do is cross blur or zoom out. This looks cool. Let's drop it here. Let's have a look. You can change the transition duration by clicking on the transition, click on duration. You can set it to longer. So if I say 0.75 seconds, that'll look much cooler IMO. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Once you get used to all of the tools on the left, which you have a lot of graphics, you can add text. You can add these circular like designer texts. Let's try that. If I go here, text, and then I can type in the easy way. Font is left to default. Go here, boom. If I want the font to be bigger, stuff like that, I can do it from the transform tab. You can change the colors of the background of the text, add filters, exposure, stuff like that. So yeah, pretty handy. Now once you've done all your timeline work, you've added your text, you've added your transition, you've added your subscribe button, you also added your music. You can check everything, play it back, have a look, and also go full screen and watch it. Once you're happy with that, you just hit export. Now on the free version, you only get 1080p exports, which is great for most people. But if you're into 4K and stuff like that, I recommend going with something like DaVinci Resolve, which also has a free version, but it doesn't give you graphics acceleration on the free version. But on Studio, you do get it. So for now, I'm just going to click on 1080p. Then it instantly starts exporting the video without any custom, complicated settings. And then you can create a video link you can share with anyone without having to upload it to a platform. So you can just click on here, grab the link. And also, once the video render is complete, it will be saved to your hard drive. You can also upload it directly to YouTube, send it to TikTok, Dropbox, all that. There you go, the file has been downloaded. You can just click on open file. That's our video. And there you have it. Video is edited, exported, and good to go. You can open the file location. The video is actually saved in an MP4 format. It's only 11.7 megabytes, very small file size. While being small, it's not of garbage quality. It's totally usable, high quality video, which you can share directly where you want. You can also open this link on your browser directly, so the sharing part is also easier without having to upload to a random server somewhere on YouTube, where you might get copyright issues and stuff like that. So if you're a beginner at video editing, or you make videos for your school and stuff like that, Clipchamp is a very good option. And there you have it, guys. That's Clipchamp. Very cool screen recording, camera recording software that also doubles as a video editor. All of that without asking for a single penny. Now, of course, there are paid premium plans which offer more features, but they all max out at 1080p resolution. So if you're looking for something 4K or 8K or 6K, this isn't for you. You can stick with DaVinci Resolve or Premiere Pro, whichever one you prefer. But this video is more for the beginners who are just getting started, who want easy access to stock video footage, photo footage, transitions, YouTube subscribe buttons. You don't have to go to Fusion to create all of it manually. And in the end, you end up with a really high quality export for a very small file size, which is easy to share on social platforms. Anyway guys, smash that like button if this video helped you. Consider subscribing and dinging that notification bell just down there. And check out my other videos right up here. I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers!